In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the background color in your WordPress website, both for your entire site and for individual sections. Whether you're customizing your brand colors, trying to make your pages stand out, or you simply want your website to look cleaner and more professional, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, log into your WordPress dashboard and open your website's main settings. Once you're there, look for the menu labeled Appearance and click on Customize. This is where most of your theme's visual settings are located, so make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Next, inside the Customization panel, click on Global and then select Colors. You'll now see several options that help you control the color scheme of your entire site. Under the Surface Colors section, look for Site Background. Go ahead and click the Color Picker button. This is where you can choose any background color you want. Follow the on-screen preview as you make changes. It updates in real time, so it's super easy to see how everything will look before saving. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your theme supports global color changes, always pick colors that match your brand style, and avoid extremely bright shades that might affect text readability. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent unnecessary issues. Once you've selected your color, click Publish to apply it site-wide. After that, you should be able to see your new background color live on your website without any interruptions. It's also a good idea to refresh your site in a private window just to double-check everything. This ensures the final look is exactly how you want it and confirms that nothing is being cached. Refresh your site and you'll see that only that section has changed, perfect for highlighting important content. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to change your WordPress background color easily and efficiently, whether it's your whole site or just a single section. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?